So a guy is asking you to go on a date with him. You get so excited and you think, wow, finally God heard me, and you're going on a date with him. After the date, you text him back, telling him how wonderful it was. The next day, you text him again, letting him know that you will be available this week and when you're going to be available. And then you text him even back, telling him where you can go to a movie or to this restaurant. And you start planning and texting and even calling him. And a guy all of a sudden looks at the phone and thinks, why did I invite her for a date? Why did I pay for a dinner? This girl can't come home to have a hookup right away. Why did I spend time on her dinner or lunch? And all because you are initiating and putting all of the effort to chase this guy and texting him and doing all of the things that a guy should do. The only thing so far he did is ask you on a date. Everything else you're generating yourself. And a guy is now fully loses his interest towards you, because a woman should generate only 10% in a dating process, and a man should generate 90% of the energy, taking you out, calling you, texting you, picking you up, opening the door, thinking where he will take you. He needs to find out what movies you like, what food you like, what flowers you like, so he can entertain you and chase you and make you fall in love with him. But the way the masculine women nowadays think is, I'm gonna teach him how to date. And if you see that the guy is not chasing you, not texting you, not calling you, not paying for you, think, well, probably he is not financially fully developed. He hasn't made it yet, but it's okay. I will wait. And you are thinking, I will teach you. I'm going to show you how. And you're texting him and you're calling him and you're giving him all of these ideas. But what you don't understand, that you kill all of his inspiration, drive, and masculine energy to chase you and to get interested in you and to continue to fall in love with you. So ladies, stop making this mistake. Please remember the rule 10 and 90. You do 10 by accepting his interest, by accepting that yes, you can go to a restaurant, yes, you can go to a movie or a park, but he needs to do 90%. But it never should be 90% you are doing and he is doing only 10%. Then just know that you're in the masculine role of a man and he is gonna be in a feminine role, which in the long run never gonna work. Men just fully gonna lose interest in you and they will run away sooner or later. And you, on top of it, gonna lose respect towards him because he's not a provider, he's not a protector, he's not a leader, he's not a masculine man. So please, ladies, understand this dynamic between a man and a woman. And the best way to do it is to start decreasing your masculine energy. And how you can decrease and start shedding off your masculine energy is by working less. If you're working full time and you have a drive to make $1 million, to buy a big house, to buy a big car, to go to 5 vacations this year and to buy a Gucci bag and Gucci dresses and shoes, then yes, you're going to be a slave to work and you will be continuing producing a lot of masculine energy. And if you have a masculine energy, you're going to attract only feminine men who would look for a provider and protector at you as a woman, who will protect them because they will be jobless or not driven to make money, not driven to succeed, to provide and to protect. Namaste, my friends. Please think about it.